So I built something a few weeks ago that I genuinely did not expect to take off the way it did. It's a simple tool I built using Claude AI that made me almost $9,000. And the crazy part is it only took me 3 days to build it out, just working a few hours a day. And I didn't do some big fancy launch for it. I literally just sent out a handful of emails to my email list, and that's it. I'm not a coder, not a developer, which is why I am so excited about this. If I can do this, trust me, you can too. So in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing my entire process, including how I built the product, made it usable, and promoted it to make sales. And I'm sharing an extra pro tip in step number 3 that you absolutely need if you're gonna try this yourself. Now, before we dive in, I know I'm gonna get asked this a ton, so if you wanna see the tool that I built out and tried out for yourself, I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the description box below, or you can click on the QR code on the screen right here to hop over and see the one that I built. I'm giving a special $20 off discount for my amazing YouTube audience, just because I want you to be able to hop over there and try this out to see how it works for yourself. So you can enter the code BBYT20, and that'll bring the price from $67 down to $47. So you can get in there quick and easy and generate a blueprint for yourself. Yours doesn't have to be like mine, but being able to try it out will just let you see how all of this works in action in real time with the real tool that I'm talking about here in this video. All right, let's jump into step number 1, the thing I did first, which was that I brainstormed tool ideas with Claude. I didn't quite know yet what the tool would be exactly, but I knew who my audience was, and Claude actually already knew who my audience was because I had previously uploaded my brand guidelines document. Now, if you're not familiar, a brand guidelines document is basically just a document that outlines who you are, what your brand's all about, who your target audience is, what your offers are if you already have some offers, and you can even include things in your document like your branding, your fonts, your colors, your brand voice. But this is just a super helpful guide to be able to upload to Claude before you ever even start using Claude to give it context around your brand, around who you're creating for, so that it's more accurate from the very first try. Now, if you don't have your own brand guidelines doc yet, I've got a copy and paste template for one that you can get access to completely for free inside my Claude starter pack. And along with that brand guidelines template, you'll also get an overview of Claude and its 6 core features, as well as templates for a mega prompt and for 3 of the most useful Claude projects for entrepreneurs. So all of that's included in that free starter pack. I've got that linked below, or you can click on the QR code on the screen right here to get instant access to that. But uploading your brand guidelines to Claude first is going to drastically level up the responses that it's giving you and how it builds out your tool without you having to manually prompt and explain it every time. So it already knew the audience that I wanted to create the tool for. So I said, can you continue asking me questions now to help me figure out what tool or offer I should build out next? Something that would appeal to this target customer that I could create and start selling relatively quickly. I don't want to create another full signature course, but something smaller that would take less time to develop, but still be very useful and helpful for this target customer. Ask me questions to help you understand what I'm thinking of or need for this before you give me the ideas. So since I told it to, Claude asked me some questions to help clarify what I was thinking of. It asked me what format I would want this in, like an interactive tool or a quiz or a generator. It asked me what was the most urgent or biggest daily frustration for my target customer, and the one thing my customer needs clarity on first. So I answered those, and then Claude gave me several different ideas for different types of tools or offers I could build out based on the answers I gave it. I went back and forth with Claude a little bit, clarifying the ideas and the price suggestions it was giving me, and finally landed on the idea of a business blueprint generator, an interactive tool that would build out an entire completely customized business plan for the user, someone who's either just starting out on their online business journey or just needs direction. From there, I decided on exactly what would be included in the plan that it would generate. I decided that the blueprint would include a brand direction and voice, a first product idea and pricing, a lead magnet concept, a Canva asset list, an ideal customer profile, their first 5 Instagram post ideas, a launch step checklist, and a Canva search terms list for terms that they could search to find Canva templates to use based on what they like visually. Then I went back and forth with Claude a little bit to map out the 10 questions that it would ask the user to get more information on their business idea, their audience, the stage that they're at in their business journey, their visual and style preferences, and all the things that it would need to know to accurately build out a custom blueprint. Then I gave it a name, the Business Blueprint Builder, and gave Claude specific branding instructions. Claude already actually knew my brand colors and fonts because it was included in that brand guidelines doc that I had previously uploaded, so I didn't have to enter those manually. It just gave me the built-out tool with what it knew about my brand, and I tweaked here and there to make it look exactly like what I wanted it to. Along with making it look the right way, visually, I also tested it over and over and over again, revising with Claude to make sure that it was giving me the results that I was happy with, advice and recommendation for users that I would actually give that are accurate, product ideas that are in demand, price points that are right on, the entire package. So again, if you're interested in trying out this tool, you can get your own blueprint built out with the link in the description box below or with the QR code that's on the screen now. So after I did that whole process of building out the tool, I moved on to step number 2, which is where I created my API key and my Cloudflare worker. Now, don't let this scare you off. I know this sounds super techy, but trust me, I am not a very techy person. Again, I'm not a coder, I'm not a developer, and I was able to figure this out just by using Claude to help guide me through it. And it's actually a pretty simple process that I'm going to explain now so you can do this too. So I found out that I needed to use a Cloudflare worker with an API key because my tool not only needed web search capability, so when the user goes to generate a blueprint, my tool needs to be able to search the web for accurate and current answers, but also for API security. Since my tool is set up to call the Anthropic API, I needed Cloudflare to store my API key securely and act as sort of a middleman so that the users of my tool can never see my API key. And if you're not familiar, an API key is just something that needs to be stored securely because if someone gets a hold of your API key, they can, in theory, go use your account and rack up massive bills, which we don't want. So using a service like Cloudflare for a tool like this was necessary. I had to set up an account with the Anthropic console and create my unique API key. I then created my Cloudflare account and created what they call a worker. Claude gave me the code that I needed for the Cloudflare worker, so I just copied the code that Claude gave me into the Cloudflare worker and then added my API key. Cloudflare then gave me what's called a worker URL, which I then copied and pasted back into Claude and asked Claude to use my Cloudflare worker URL and generate the code for me to paste into the landing page where my tool would be hosted. Claude then did exactly that and gave me the code that I would need. I held on to that until I needed it in the next step, which was creating the tool's landing page. The landing page is the actual page where people would be able to use my tool. It's where the tool lives live, ready to be accessed. Now, you can use any website host or landing page builder to create a landing page like this. I personally used Kajabi because that's the platform I use to run everything else in my business. If you're interested in trying out Kajabi, I've got a free trial for that linked in the description box below. I love it because it's literally an all-in-one platform where I can host my web pages, my courses, my coaching. It hosts all my email marketing. So I knew Kajabi was the choice for me. But again, there are a lot of different tools you can use out there as long as you have the capability to build out a landing page. So I went into my Kajabi account, clicked to create a new landing page, and then copied the code that Claude just gave me and pasted it into the custom code section of my landing page and published it. Now, here's the pro tip that I mentioned earlier that is super important in this step. You can use a tool or an interactive app like this, the one that we're building out, as a paid product or offer, which is what I knew I wanted to do, but you can also use it as a lead magnet or a freebie to grow your email list. If you're using it as a freebie, it can just be free for all. Anybody can access it. There's really no login or anything like that that you need, but if it's a paid product, you want to have a way to make sure that only people who have paid for this tool can have access to it. There's a certain way to do this with a Kajabi landing page, and there are different ways to add a login feature depending on what platform that you're using for your landing page. Your host may or may not have the capability to do this, so that's just something you want to have in mind and check into when you're deciding on where you're going to host your landing page to see if there's a way on your platform to add in a login feature. So once I created the landing page and made sure it was looking great, then I moved on to step number 4, which is where I created the actual checkout page and launched it. Again, I used Kajabi for this. I built out a new checkout page just for this offer. I added in a mock-up image that I created quick and easy in Canva. I made sure to add text with a rundown of how the tool works, an overview of what the user would get as part of their generated blueprint, a section outlining who this tool is useful for and who it's not for, and a Q&A section with commonly asked questions. I decided to price it at $67, but for this launch, I knew I wanted to give sort of a celebration discount of $20 off, so I ended up selling this for this launch at $47. Now, I'm saying launch because it was a new product, but I didn't do any kind of big live event. All I did was a handful of emails to my email list, which I also used Claude for and had Claude generate those emails for me, so I didn't even have to write them out manually. I revised and tweaked them and ended up sending out 10 emails over the span of 9 days. And here's what the total revenue looked like. I made $7,000 $188.16 on just the Business Blueprint Builder tool itself. But in the offer, I had also built in an order bump and an upsell, so people had the option to add on extra things as they were purchasing. The order bump alone brought in an extra $1,225.29, and then the upsell offer brought in $596 extra dollars. So all of that came to a grand total of $8,909.45, almost $9,000 with no live event for the launch from a simple tool that I created using AI over the course of a few days. I was honestly shocked and amazed at the revenue that brought in and how easy the process of creating this type of tool using Claude AI was. So I hope that was helpful for you. Don't forget to click the links below to grab your free Claude starter pack and to try out the actual Business Blueprint Builder tool that we've been talking about so you can see it work in real time. I'm giving a special $20 off discount for my amazing YouTube audience just because I want you to be able to hop over there and try this out to see how it works for yourself. So you can enter the code BBYT20 and that'll bring the price from $67 down to $47 so you can get in there quick and easy and generate a blueprint for yourself. Talk soon, friend.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.